is a review of the Greenworks 1600 PSI power washer. It's an electric power washer. I just took it out of the box. I connected all the hoses already. Up here it tells you what you need to do before you start it. So you attach the water, run the water. When it runs for a little while, you release the pressure on the gun. When you get a steady flow of water like this, you pretty much go plug it into the electrical outlet, and then you start it. And that's it. It's on now. It's pretty quiet. I already washed a little bit of my deck. So this is the washed part. It's still wet. This is the dirty part. This is that dirt and algae that you get. Here's the step, concrete step that I washed. It's still drying. I washed this part. This is still dirty. I got this little machine, this little power washer, pretty much to wash my cars, but I figured I would try it by washing my concrete deck. It came with two adapters for different pressure. This is the 25-degree one. I have the white one on, which is the 40-degree adapter. It looks decent. I'll show you guys over here. You can't get this stuff off. That's what it looks like after washing. Now, if you have a small job, I would definitely recommend this. Like I said, I got this to wash my cars. If you have a big job, I would get something with more PSI. Hope this helps.